tried to pick. It definitely picks just like a Honda. Oops. There it is picked. Okay, now to read. We have 2, 2, 6, 1, 3, 1, 1. Oops. 1, 1, 3, 1, 6, 2, 2. Alright, so I'm back in the back of my van, about to clip out this key, and I ran the bidding through a fill and got one result, so hopefully I'm good to go. But I'm going to clip it out real quick. We're going to do 2, 2, 6, 1, 3, and the rest are ones. 1, 1, 1. There's these 2 big ass pit bulls in this house right over here by this Isuzu, and they were knocking at the window, scratching at it. They have me pretty nervous. I don't want to be eaten, so I'm kind of sheltering in place right now. 2, 2, 6, 1, 3, and the rest are ones. 1, 1, 1. Alright. There's the key. Looks decent. You guys can see. I'm gonna test the key real quick. Driver's side door. Works. Good stuff. Testing the ignition. Turns it over. We got a security light blinking at us. Now we have to remedy that issue. And that begins by hunting down our target module, which should be right there. So we'll be right back. So I just unscrewed a screw right here and the hood release latch. Now this should just drop right down. Alright, so I just disconnected the battery, and now we gotta try to get this 10mm bolt in here. I may have to put the camera down. I'll be right back. Damn, it's tight. Gotta get some angle here. Hopefully I got it. Looks like that little nut is coming off. There it is. Shazam. Kind of just looks like you pop it up. There it is. There's our target device right there. Can you focus? There you go. We have to ground the oscillator so that we don't corrupt the data. So all we need is the pin code. So I'm going to power it on. Okay, 0154. 0154. All right, now I'm going to put this back in and try to program in a key. 0154. So I ordered this really expensive remote head key from this dude off eBay, and it's supposed to have a Meg 44 transponder inside of it. As far as I can tell, there's not one in here. And I've held this damn key every which way. Yes, kind of annoying. And I don't know if I have a screwdriver near me to take that apart. This will do. I'm guessing that's where the transponder goes, huh? Son of a bitch. It's pretty damn annoying. Turn it back on. We got a 48 right here. I imagine that's how it goes. Alright, so now it identifies. Be right back. My pack-a-punch will be able to cut the entire remote head key, so I'm going to do that. Two. Let's not fuck it up or mess it up. 6. 1. 3. And the rest are ones. 1. 1. 1. Half cut. Did I say Honda remote head key? I meant to say Isuzu. So first cuts are 2-2. And 6. Digging deep in that 6 cut. Then a 1. And a 3. The rest are 1s. 7's a 1. 8 is a 1. Looks good. Still haven't put the module in. I just figured I'd go ahead and cut the key. See if I can pull my camera out without shutting it off. Alright. Here we go. Battery's still disconnected. All this removed. Metal test key. Let's try this one. And it turns. Yeah. Flip it over, test that side too. It turns. Good stuff. So Tango requires a payable option to fucking do Isuzu, so I've hooked up VVDI2 and I've just verified the bin. So we're gonna save it. I hope to God this works. I soldered a bridge on the oscillator pads and I'm currently clipped up and reading with VVDI. I've already loaded the module and I'm hoping that this works. Really hoping. And I forget where all this stuff is at. Thank you, God. Do I have the key on me? I probably don't. Okay. So I'm just gonna overwrite key 1. Let's work. It's a success. Alright, we're gonna do 2003 Isuzu again, but this time I'm gonna put V2 so I know. Save it. And it's still hooked up, hopefully. I moved it a little bit. And I'm gonna write. Hold on, I gotta open. 2003. Go down to the second one. Enter. Pulls it up. Space 7576 is a pin code. That's exactly what it pulled from the logic key. Good stuff. Alright, so I'm gonna write okay. Verify. Alright. I'm gonna clean up the solder now. I'm not gonna record it. Doing that would be a pain. Sorry. Woo-woo! Okay, so I've just hooked it back up. Okay, so I haven't hooked up power. Here we go. Just installed the module back in and test the remote real quick. Works. Alright, moment of truth. The key's gonna go in. We're gonna watch the security light. I can't find the hole. On. And it's out. And it starts right up. My first rodeo. I'm gonna flip the key over. Ignition. Job done. Now to put everything back together, which is not very hard. Going to attempt to program the remote. Open the door. Then 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. And 1. Lock cycled. Then hit lock button. And then unlock button. And then remove key. I think that did it. Hopefully. Yep. There it is. There's a remote.